Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to indent a bullet in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to indent a bullet, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first. And now, after opening your Slack application, you just simply have to select a channel where you want to indent a bullet. Then, after opening the channel, you just simply have to tap into this option into here. Just simply tap into it and then just simply type anything into this message section. Then after doing this, your bullet is successfully created into your Slack, and then click to this send button and you are all set. By following this very easy step, you can easily indent a bullet into Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.